Okay, Boolean searchers. So a Boolean search, not to be confused with Boolean, which is gold, but a Boolean search is how you can type into a text box to combine words. Okay, so your main Boolean search techniques are using capital and, capital or capital not. You can also use quotation marks, the double quotation marks that you would normally put around dialogue when you're writing, or parentheses, which are your brackets. Okay, so the way to use these, a quotation mark, if for example, if you were wanting to search cougar, another name for cougar is mountain lion. Okay, so if you type into Google mountain lion, you're going to get all of the hits that tell you mountain and lion, or mountain and lion has everything in it. So if you want to narrow your search down and only have articles that say mountain lion as a phrase, you put it into quotations or into parentheses, and mountain lion has to show up in that order inside of the document for the search engine to find it, okay? So it'll just reduce the amount of hits that you get and make it easier to search, okay? Same thing goes for and, or not. So if you look at the example in this picture here, we have puppy and kitten. So when you type it puppy, lowercase, and then you put the capital and between that and kitten, your search will come up with everything that has both of those terms in an article or a web page. Okay? If you type puppy or kitten with capital or, you're going to find every web page with both puppy or kitten. So you're going to get twice as many hits. Okay? If you use not, you can type in puppy, not kitten. It'll only give you the ones with puppy. To make that one more clear, if you use our example with cougars, again, we could put cougars, not hockey, and you're going to get all of the web hits that are about cougars, the animal cougars, not about hockey teams. Okay? So that's the difference and the advantages of using and, or not. So now, some search engines, you'll be able to use the plus sign for and the minus sign for not. Some search engines will use the Boolean searches and some don't, okay? So Google is one of the ones that doesn't use them that well and doesn't use them all the time, okay? All right, so that's Boolean searches. They can make searching quite a bit easier and quite a bit more exact. Actually, quotations are on Google, sorry. Okay, text features. If anybody's ever read a nonfiction book, you should know what text features are. Okay, so in text features, things that we use to find information quickly when you look at a big page in a nonfiction book, you're going to be looking for titles and subtitles and headings. Print that's bolded. Captions are the little information beside and underneath pictures. Table of contents will help you find page for the information you're looking for, okay? Now on the internet, these text features are there as well. So most web pages you go to are going to have these text features too. Okay, table of contents tends to be a hyperlinked piece on either the top or the left-hand side of your web page. Okay, there's always captions underneath pictures. You know, another text feature would be hyperlinking on a website. So you can click on a caption or click on bold print and it'll often take you to another web page. Okay. If you look at this graphic that's over here, there's more things like italics and bullets and highlighted text, the glossary, okay, diagrams and timelines and maps. So those are all text features, and those things, you can just look at them and it helps you find the information you're looking for more quickly instead of having to read every single word. Okay, your eye can go to one of these features that'll help focus what you're looking for, okay? Another big advantage of using the internet is Control F. This is the find function. On a Mac, if you have a Mac, it's going to be the Apple command button, F, and then pretty much any web browser, any PDF, pretty much any document. If you hit Control F, you can type into the search box what word you're looking for or what phrase you're looking for, and Boolean searches actually help with this sometimes. You can use the quotations and parentheses to help you with this, but it helps you find information in words that you're really looking for, okay?